Honey, am I ugly?
Everybody looks weird after they get a haircut. You will look better after 3 days.
Really?
Yeah.
Promise?
Promise.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alan. It's May 10th today. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope you're having a day as beautiful as you are. Amber and I are here in New York, and we have been quarantined for 2 months now. Before quarantine, I would get my hair cut at least every 2 weeks. My hair grows really fast. Since we've been in quarantine, I haven't had a haircut. And my wife is saying that I look like a crazy person, a wild man. So today, I'm going to take matters into my own hands and give myself a haircut. But I'm not just cutting a little bit off, I'm cutting it all off. She also said that a true test of a man's handsomeness is if he looks handsome bald. So challenge accepted. Hey, wait a second. Did you like yet? Did you subscribe? Did you hit that notification bell? I'm watching you.
I'm watching you.
Alright, are you ready? Cause I'm not. Oh my god. I'm gonna go straight down the middle. I'm not gonna dance around the sides. I'm just gonna commit and just go for all of it. Oh my god. So much hair.
Ellen?
I don't even want to look. I don't even want to look.
Ellen. Ellen.
I look like that guy from The Shining.
Yeah.
Where he like axes down the door and he's like, "Here's Johnny."
Here's Johnny.
So we cut off all this so far. As you can see, it's a lot shorter. And this is shorter than I would normally get my hair cut. But as you can see, there's still some longer hairs. But we're gonna dial it down to a smaller trimmer. This one was 12 mm. We're going down to the 3 mm. It's like, I lost 10 pounds in 2 minutes. Click here to find out how. It's all right here. A lot of hair. Really heavy. Really thick. Alright. So this is the 12 mm and the 3 mm. It's like mowing the lawn. It's like my head is covered in peach fuzz. Feel that.
小朋友，你是否有很多问号？为什么别人在那看漫画，我却在学画画，对着钢琴说话？别人在玩游戏，我却背着